So you're wondering what you should do at home to practice. What can you train? What kind of solo drills can you do when you don't have a partner? Well, this is one of my absolute favorite. In fact, it's the most popular one. I did a video on this, and I want to share it with you guys again because it's getting lost and people aren't watching it. It's too important for people. They need to practice, specifically beginners. You practice this over and over and over, you're gonna get so much better. So think of it this way. You're gonna learn footwork, you're gonna learn hands, you're gonna rep it out, you're gonna do it over and over and over because that's really what makes you good. You're gonna learn how to turn this pattern of movement is kind of a string of movements which go together in a very, very nice way, which helps you to get this into your muscle memory, and it automatically will come out for you during your sparring, during your fighting. This is called Bong Wu Tan. So check this out. 1, 2, and we'll get going with it to where we'll go pretty fast on the metronome, but just start slow. You'll be able to flow with that before you know it. We'll also put our footwork with it. Right? Put our footwork with it. There's even versions that we're doing short bridge, long bridge in it. You know, more of a shorter range version of that would be not like that. There we go. Shorter bridge, long. Start with long though. Start with long. Bong Wu Tan. So what is the Bong Wu Tan? It is, you have intercepted something that couldn't get in to begin with. So the whole premise of the Bong Wu Tan is very, very applicable. You can see it also done on the dummy too. If I'm Bong Wu, right? Tan Da. Bong Wu Tan Da. Bong Wu Tan Da. You can add all kinds of different cool stuff to it just to, as you get better at it and you get more awareness of what you're doing, it'll grow. It'll grow. So, good. Bong Wu Tan.
Subscribe now so you don't miss out on more of these great Wing Chun lessons.